Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0011 signifies an issue with the variable valve timing control (VTC) system in the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. This problem arises when the advanced intake camshaft phase angle exceeds the commanded value set by the powertrain control module (PCM). The PCM monitors the timing of the camshaft, and upon detecting a discrepancy, it triggers the DTC P0011 to alert the technician of a timing over advanced condition. The VTC system plays a critical role in optimizing engine performance and efficiency by adjusting valve timing according to engine demands. This adjustment is accomplished through a series of components, including the VTC oil control solenoid valve and the VTC actuator. When the system malfunctions, it can lead to performance issues and increased emissions, making it essential to accurately diagnose and address this DTC. DTC P0011 indicates that the advanced intake camshaft phase angle is higher than the value the powertrain control module, PCM, has commanded. The PCM is essentially the brain of the vehicle's engine management system, responsible for monitoring and controlling engine parameters for optimum performance. When this anomaly occurs, the PCM sees it as a fault and subsequently logs the DTC for further diagnostic procedures. The various components affected include the VTC oil control solenoid valve A and VTC actuator A, which play crucial roles in regulating the oil flow to the VTC system. These components help adjust the timing of the intake camshaft, which is vital for enhancing power and efficiency. The specific locations of these components can be found in the vehicle's manual under the Component Location Index, which assists technicians in efficiently identifying and troubleshooting issues. A few potential causes can trigger DTC P0011. First, a faulty VTC oil control solenoid valve A may not properly regulate oil flow, leading to incorrect timing adjustments. The VTC actuator itself can also be defective, failing to achieve the necessary position for optimal camshaft timing. Another common issue is a clogged or blocked VTC system oil passage, which restricts the flow of oil, preventing the actuator from receiving the proper lubrication or control signals required. Each of these components interacts closely with one another, and any malfunction within them can lead to the observed timing over advanced condition. This means that before making any replacements or repairs, it is crucial to conduct a thorough diagnostic inspection to isolate the specific cause of the issue. Symptoms associated with the DTC P0011 can vary, but often include reduced engine performance. When the camshaft timing is incorrect due to this fault, the engine may not run as efficiently, resulting in a noticeable loss of power during acceleration. Another symptom that may arise is rough engine idling. This can occur because the engine struggles to maintain a steady RPM when the timing settings aren't optimized. Increased emissions are also a critical indicator, as improper timing can lead to incomplete combustion, resulting in higher levels of pollutants being released through the exhaust. Overall, these symptoms are important markers for technicians to address, as they can lead to more significant engine issues if not resolved promptly. The initial step in troubleshooting DTC P0011 involves starting the engine to observe its behavior and check for any stored diagnostic trouble codes. When the engine is started, keep an eye out for any warning lights or irregularities in its performance, as these observations can provide valuable clues. After running the engine, the technician should utilize a diagnostic scan tool to confirm that DTC P0011 is indeed stored. It's also crucial to inspect relevant components within the VTC system, including the VTC oil control solenoid valve A and VTC actuator A, for visible damage or malfunction. This step helps establish whether the issue is localized within a particular component or if it is part of a larger system fault. The next step in the troubleshooting process is to perform a test on the VTC oil control solenoid valve A. This solenoid is responsible for regulating the flow of oil to the VTC actuator, and its proper operation is crucial for system function. Using a scan tool, technicians should check for any performance issues or faults within the solenoid. If any faults are identified, it will be necessary to address them before proceeding. A functional check is also essential to ensure that the solenoid can maintain the commanded oil pressure and flow rate consistently. It's vital to validate that this component operates within its specified parameters to continue diagnosing the DTC further. The following troubleshooting step involves inspecting the VTC actuator A. This component is integral to adjusting the intake camshaft, and its condition can significantly affect engine performance. During the inspection, the technician should carefully examine the actuator for any signs of physical damage, such as cracks, leaks, or wear. Conducting a thorough visual and mechanical assessment helps to establish whether it is still functioning correctly. If wear or damage is present, it could compromise its ability to respond to control signals from the PCM, leading to the over-advanced condition indicated by DTC P0011. Depending on the condition observed, repairs or replacements may be necessary to restore full functionality. The final troubleshooting step is to inspect the VTC system oil passage. A blockage or buildup of debris can significantly impact how the oil flows through the system, affecting both the VTC actuator and the solenoids. Using the appropriate diagnostic tools, the technician should check the oil passage for any obstructions or clogs that could be restricting flow. Any identified debris or contaminants should be cleared to facilitate an unobstructed oil supply, which is essential for the proper operation of the entire VTC system. Maintaining clean oil passages ensures that the VTC actuator receives adequate oil pressure and flow, allowing for the correct timing adjustments to be made. If blockages are found, resolving them will be crucial to eliminate the DTC P0011 and restore system performance. After completing all necessary repairs, it is important to conduct a final verification to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Start by clearing any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using a diagnostic scan tool. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle is essential to gauge its performance under various driving conditions. During the test drive, pay close attention to engine response, acceleration, and any abnormal noises. Observing that the engine operates smoothly and that the previous symptoms do not recur indicates a successful resolution of the DTC P0011 issue. This verification step is critical for confirming that the repairs address the underlying problem effectively. Preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0011 in the Honda Accord. Regular oil changes are crucial to ensure that the engine operates on clean oil, which supports optimal performance and reduces wear on internal components, including VTC elements. Monitoring oil quality is also important. Using high-quality oil helps maintain proper lubrication and prevents buildup that can clog oil passages. Technicians should inspect VTC components regularly to ensure they remain in good condition and function properly. These preventive measures can substantially extend the lifespan of the VTC system and enhance engine efficiency, thereby avoiding costly repairs and potential performance issues in the future. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P0011 is vital for achieving optimal engine performance in the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. The root causes of this DTC can range from faulty solenoids and actuators to clogged oil passages, each warranting a systematic troubleshooting approach to ensure effective repairs. By following the outlined steps, technicians can accurately diagnose the problem, allowing for efficient resolution. Following repairs, it is crucial to verify that the issue has been resolved through test drives and monitoring of performance. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of similar issues arising in the future. By keeping a keen eye on the VTC system and adhering to routine maintenance schedules, vehicle owners can ensure their cars run smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.